Greetings traders, this is Dave with the Draw Capital. I want to make a quick video on Dogecoin. Reason for the video, got a lot of calls, a lot of messages, a lot of DMs asking me what's my take on Doge. Alright, today Dogecoin's up I think 27-30%. Trading platform eToro came out and said they're going to support cryptocurrencies, as well as Elon Musk this weekend is going to host Saturday Night Live. He's definitely going to mention Dogecoin. He might even have a Dogecoin theme. So everyone in the Doge community has been screaming $1 price target for a very long time. That's a psychological level. So these two events that occurred definitely has Dogecoin back in the news, back on social media, as well as back putting up 30 to 50% days. So I want to focus on just a few things from a technical standpoint. So do a little backtracking. As you can see, a few months ago, Doge was nothing. It was just completely flatlined. That's when Snoop Dogg, Elon Musk, a couple other celebrities, everyone kind of got behind it. The Wall Street bets community. And that's when we started getting this insane rally. Right? So Doge went from like 5-6 cents up to like 44 cents in probably like a week or a few days, right? So then after that, quick sell off, boom, try it again. So now this counter here is very important because this was the Doge day, 420. Everyone's expecting. That's when Snoop came out videos. Everyone's expecting it to go for $1 that day, but as you can see, the total opposite happened. And what happened was you have a lot of technical traders and traders that kind of understand how the market flows and works. They actually sold that news. And as you can see, price went from like 42 all the way down to the lows in the next few days to I think this low is like 15 cents. Alright, so what I want to point out is from a technical standpoint, as you can see right here, if you watch the Bitcoin video, when this RSI gets in this overbought situation, usually you want to blow some steam off, and that's what traders recognized, that we was in an overbought situation and they took some profits. Right, fast forward, bam, close back above previous resistance. News come out, right? Elon as well as the eToro news. Now what we have marked here is our TP1. So what we like to do is, of course, no one knows if Doge is going to $1, $2, $5, $10. But what we use, the power of technical analysis to kind of give us an edge, to kind of give us an idea. But what we want to do is be prepared if it does, if it doesn't, right? So I always keep focus of the number one objective of the financial markets is to come in and extract profits, right? Take money from the markets. Like to me, I'm not really hung up on it. If it hits $1, $2, $5, $10, that'd be awesome. But what I want to do is every time, my price action gets to these certain levels, I want to make sure that I'm, doing my job and extracting profits from these markets. So today, price action got to my 55.60 target. I extract some profits from the market, right? Next target zone is the 75 to 80 area, right? Price action continues. We want a new price discovery. We're looking at 75-80 cents on the next target. And the almighty psychological level, $1, right? These are just price targets in which if price action continue to go on the price discovery to continue to go higher, these are the levels we are looking at it for them to test, right? This is not a prediction or investment advice. These are just levels that we have in mind that I want to share with everyone. Next up, this thing gets insane and silly. Now to the upside, you have some, this is based upon technicals, you have bigger price targets, ones say all the way up to $2. All right, so that's your upside targets. But as you know, cryptocurrency is very volatile, especially coins like Doge, Safe Moon. These coins are super volatile, right? Because it's at the price point in which everyone can afford. So you're going to have some volatility, as well as you have social media and you have celebrities, entertainers behind it. So you just always got to keep in mind that you make investment in these things that is volatile, right? So like I always do is I just want to go over a couple scenarios to give you an idea what could happen. Alright, as you can see right now, path of least resistance to the upside. Like I said, we pointed out, it's multiple ways you can get here. You can just go straight up, or you can pull back. You just start trending, making higher highs, higher lows to get to your target. Right. You also, even if you pull back and test the previous price structure, was previous resistance would turn into support. Still a bullish situation, as long as it holds that line, right? That's scenario for the bullish case. Now, as we hit price target one, as you can see, traders initially took some profits. Highs was like roughly 61. The bar closed at 53, right? But as you can see now, right back at it, right? So that's showing strength. But if price action falls below this 41 level, now that 41 level turns into resistance, right? Until it doesn't break that again, now you're on the consolidating to sideways, downward momentum. So those are the two scenarios, that I just wanted to play out and show you for the Doge. But to the upside, targets are, as we're here now, target 155.60 zone. Next area is 75 to 80, and then you have the macro target of the psychological $1. To the downside, if we pull back any, you would want to hold this zone, this 40-41 zone. This will be your macro support, because that's your previous resistance has turned into support. So if you're bullish this, you will definitely want it to hold in this zone right here, right? That states your case this thing is going higher, right? Anything below that, everything pretty much changes now, right? So once again, it's Dave. I want to make a quick video kind of showing you basically, the outlook we're looking at, me and my team, and how we're approaching this Dogecoin. So I'll probably be back this weekend after Elon comes on, do an updated video. So till then, everyone have a great night.